Merging multiple PDF files into one clean document is incredibly simple and takes less than 2 minutes. Let us get right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite web browser. Personally, I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser works perfectly for this. Go to your search engine and type in Combine PDF. You will see quite a few tools pop up in the results, but the one we are using is iLovePDF because it allows you to upload up to 20 files at once, completely for free. Once you are on the website, look for the tool that is called Merge PDF. Open it and look for the big button that says Upload Files, and click on it. This action immediately opens up your File Explorer. Now, navigate to the folder where your documents are saved. In my case, they are sitting right on the desktop. To select multiple files at the same time, just hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each PDF. Then click Open. If you forget a file, you can always click the Upload button again to add more. The important thing to check next is the order of your files. Look at the thumbnail previews on your screen. You want to make sure page 1 actually comes before page 2. If they are mixed up, simply hover your cursor over the file you want to move until your mouse changes into a 4-pointed arrow. Now, here is the quick trade-off to keep in mind when using free online tools. While it is incredibly fast and convenient, you lose the ability to edit individual text layers once the documents fuse together. So make sure your files are finalized before this next step. Once everything looks perfect and is in the right order, look at the right sidebar and press the Merge button. The system takes just a moment to process everything, and it will automatically download your brand new, merged document right to your computer. You can find it instantly in your Downloads folder. If you open it up, you will see all your separate pages are now perfectly combined into a single file. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.